था। अब मैं लिट्टू को देखेंगे सब्सक्राइब। चले आज की वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
Hello viewers, welcome to Hub Harmony. In today's video, I am going to show you homegrown tomatoes and chilies. Have a look on these tomatoes, grown in pots. We have grown these tomatoes from tomato seeds. You can plant seeds or you can buy small plants from nearby nursery. All you need is a pot filled with organic matter-rich soil and better light conditions. Plant the seeds and water them regularly. You'll have fresh tomatoes of your own for daily use. Look at these tomatoes, how healthy they are. Some are unripe and some are ripening, and these are enough for everyday use. You can plant these on your own in your kitchen garden. These are the plants of chilies. Some are green chilies and some are red. You can use these as spice while cooking food. I hope you will enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. Goodbye till next video.
Goodbye.